Where can I find a list of Camtasia shortcuts? One way to answer that question is to show you all the shortcuts that you can customize within Camtasia. You can open Preferences by pressing Control-, or Command-, and clicking the Shortcuts tab. Here, you'll see your shortcuts grouped in tabs on the left. Click through the tabs to see the different shortcuts that you can use and customize in Camtasia. You'll also see a gear icon in the upper right. Pressing that icon will give you the option to export your keyboard shortcuts. If you export those shortcuts, Camtasia will create a text file and will give it a Camtasia extension. You can open this file with your text editor of choice and see a text version of each keyboard shortcut that Camtasia can use. But the list of customizable shortcuts isn't the full list. Another way to answer this list of shortcuts question is to direct you to TechSmith's website. In their support documentation, TechSmith provides a list of all shortcuts for both Mac and PC. This exhaustive list shows all the shortcuts you can use, not just the ones that you can edit. You can find a link to the page in the description. Note that TechSmith updates this content, so the link may change. If it does, let me know in the comments and I'll update the link. And if you're looking for a list of shortcuts and keyboard combinations that I use, check out cammastery.com/shortcuts. There, you can download a one-page PDF of common and uncommon keyboard and mouse shortcuts. You can also sign up for a free masterclass where I explain the shortcuts along with other keys for making better Camtasia videos faster.